Hello, how's it going, everybody? Let me know if you can hear me there. I lost my phone there. I had to go looking for it. I went live and then realised I didn't have my phone with me. Let me get the old amalgamated chat up here and see. Stream chat. Okay, you should be able to hear me anyway. You can let me know if you cannot. Marcel Dotman is in there, is the first message I see. I don't think it's the first one that came through there. I can see all the messages coming through on the monitor here, but not coming through yet on my feed. Not to worry, no panic. Raymond Smith there, and John J. Harty. We got you have us on Facebook too there as well. Deadly, that's nice. Okay, so if there's people there you think don't know about the stream, give them an old tag or something there, or share the stream if you want. It's I'm going to be here for a couple of hours anyway, for sure. About 11 o'clock or something like that. So loads of time for requests and all that kind of stuff there. If you have any requests you'd like to hear, shoot it up to me there, and I'll do it for you. Okay, on Facebook there anyway. What else do I need to go on? Twitch. Let's see if I'm on Twitch here. Now I think I'm on Instagram there as well. But I haven't checked that yet. That's just the phone there rigged up for that. Let me check Instagram here for the crack. See, okay, Facebook's working anyway. I think I saw hello from Australia there today. Oh, I can't see I need to be in someone else. Keep in. Okay. I'm on the old Instagram anyway. Paddy Patrick joined. Hey, Paddy. And that's all. I think that's all. Myself, the Finns, and Paddy Patrick on my Instagram. That's fine. That's cool. That's just the backstage, angle, and let's check Twitch here now as well and make sure we're all working. Carly Hayden, can we get a little? Grandma got run over by a reindeer. I'm fucking singing that fucking song all fucking day. Would you believe it? So I'll do that one for you. I keep pinning your comment, Carly. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Let me just take Twitch. Okay, at least we're working on that. Christina is in there as well. Christina Horhager, and I must give you a text after, Christina, to thank you for the lovely presents you sent there over the buoy. I think he was probably on to you there already. I'm way behind the chats here. I think I better just jump on to Facebook here for a second. Facebook, because the restream one is way behind. Beta is in there. Carly Hayden, as I said, is in there. Look for it's been stuck in my head since the last time. Love the lights, Carrie Ann Bose and Jack from Canada, eh? And Mossy Power Music as well from Canada as well. Hope you're all doing well. James Butterbox Kelly is watching. Ronan Thornbury is watching with me as well. How are you getting on, Ronan? Nice to have you on the stream. And who else did I see there as well? Marcel, Beta, and Meg Phoenix is in there as well. Hello from Australia. G'day. What time would it be in Australia now? You're in the future, so it would be something like hold on a second. It must be crazy in the morning, early in the morning there, is it? It must be 8 o'clock in the morning or something there. You can let me know if Meg and Bianca Holly there as well is in as well. Okay, let me grab the old guitar and let's see if we can make let's see what kind of sound we have here for today. These lights above me might actually fall down or turn off at one stage, so don't panic if they do. Okay, Grandma got run over by a reindeer. Your Instagram is cool. Your wee face is magnified. I can see your wrinkles. There's no wrinkles here, Paddy. No faking wrinkles. There's loads of them. No, you know what? That's just the lighting effect, Paddy. It's not my wrinkles at all. So there. Let me just get set up here. I was kind of farting around there. Okay. Fernie and Bill are watching as well, and I missed you guys just comment last time as well. Fernie and Bill. I think we're complete. Let's get ready to rumble. Good man, Marcel. My director. I'm gonna leave it on this restream here and see does the chat get better. Okay, let's see if I can get Grandma got run over by a reindeer. And then check. Okay. And Grandma got run over by a reindeer. Here we go. Do this one. Grandma got one over by a reindeer. I did this once. I did this last week. Grandma got run over by a reindeer, walking home from our house Christmas Eve. Now you can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa we believe. Well, she been drinking too much eggnog, and then we begged her not to go, but she forgot her medication, so she stumbled out the door into the snow. When they found her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, she had hoofprints on her forehead and incriminating claws marks on her back. Grandma got run over by family's dressed in black, and we just can't help but wonder, should we open up our gifts or send them back? Send them back. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. Now you can see there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa we believe. Well, now the goose is on the table and the pudding made of fig, and the blue and silver candles that would have matched the hair in Grandma's wig. Now I've all warned me friends and neighbours, you better watch out for yourselves. They should never give a license, no, to a man who drives a sleigh and plays with elves. Grandma got run over by a reindeer now walking home from our house Christmas Eve. Now you can see there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa we believe. Oh, Grandpa got run over by a reindeer now our house Christmas Eve. Now you can see there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa we believe. Oh, now you can see there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa we believe. Grandma got run over by a reindeer, and that one, as I said, the last one there. If you're old enough, or if you're from the right place, you would remember longwave radio Atlantic 252, and every Christmas that one used to be on longwave radio Atlantic 252, and I used to love it. Oh yeah, that's the wrong one. You faker, yeah. Okay. Let's hope that doesn't fall. It may fall. It may. Good stuff. Okay. Let's go off that. Missy You Boo Boo joined on Instagram. And Barry Kavanagh is on there as well. How are you, Barry? What's the story, pal? Barry is a good mate of mine and fantastic musician and a great inspires a lot of people to sing a lot of songs. That's what Barry does as well, as well as doing great jobs on the songs himself as well. And I must meet you for no pint over the old Christmas, Barry. If any requests there, pal, throw it in there as well. I'm not checking the old Instagram too much there, but I will be checking it. Okay, so I think I have the amalgamated chat working here. If you look on the screen, here, see the screen here. If your chat isn't coming up there, let me know. It won't come up. Your Instagram chat won't come up on that screen. And if you're listening on Instagram, you won't see the text here. But if you want to get a better experience for the streaming, go over to Twitch, Key Finn Music, or head on to YouTube there, Ciarán Finn Music, or my Facebook, Ciarán Finn Music, on Facebook to get the full stream experience there with the stereo sound and the good camera and all that kind of stuff there. That's just my little pokey phone, little iPhone 5 or 6 or something there. Just keep him, Cardi, of course. Liam Fitz is in there as well. How are you, Liam? How are you getting on, man? And sounding classes, Raymond. Thanks very much, Raymond. That's good. That sounds good. Sonia Border Fox, evening keys. Been a while since me and mine saw you. Hope you're getting on okay over there, Sonia, and things are going okay for you, and everything is you're all safe and all that kind of stuff there in these mad old times. It doesn't look like I'm getting all the chat, does it here? It looks like there's a rainbow flying through on that thing. Big hello for the Rumney COVID house. This is just what we need. Hope you're doing okay over there. Fernie and Bill in the old COVID house there, but sure, I'm sure you'll get through with no bother. Yes, Missy Boo Boo's on their Instagram, on everybody. 74, 70, Atlantic 252. Liam, I wouldn't have thought you would have been old enough to remember Atlantic 252. I don't know how long it went to either of those well. So I do remember 74. I was just longing that you go, and I was just sorry ever after 74. The 74. Did he solo in that as well? Not that, obviously, but there's definitely a solo in that. Good call, Liam, man. I might check out that song. Was the O'Connells or something? 74, 75. I think it was the O'Connells, something like that, or the O'Donnells or the O'Connells. But I remember all those songs. There was like, if I sat down, I could probably rattle off like 100 songs that were just on that station, you know. And I remember all the DJs as well. Was it Sandy Bottoms, Dusty Rhodes? Don Sova's in there as well. Oh yeah, Leona van der Meulen is in there. Good stuff. Okay, As the Snow Fell. I'll warm up to As the Snow Fell there. Who's looking for that? I just saw there. John Hardy looking for that one there. I'll definitely do it there for you. I'll just need to warm up there a little bit there. The voice is a bit cracky. But shoot in the old request there as well. But other than that, I'm gonna try just pick a few random ones here. Let's do Hand Me Down My Bible. I just saw it here. I don't know did I manage to get all the verses of this one here, but let's see if I did. Disciple, whoa, glory, oh, hand me down the Bible. I like my liquor, I'm a living heart. Lord, save my soul. My salvation was a turn of a card. My heart's as black as coal. But everybody has the right to go wrong. Everybody has to sing my song. Everybody has the right to go wrong. Sing my song, it's my song. Whoa, glory, oh, I'm the Lord's disciple. Whoa, glory, oh, hand me down the Bible. I don't give a damn for any man. Stand, shine your light on me. Come on, people, let your life begin. Come on now, let the sun shine in. Come on, people, let the life begin. Let it in, let it in. Whoa, glory, oh, I'm the Lord's disciple. Whoa, glory, oh, hand me down me Bible. Hand me down my Bible. And I'm going to pick a few random songs here tonight and do them. Galway Girl, please, and thank you for Meg Phoenix there. So before I start doing that, because I know I'll forget John Harty's one, I'll just gonna not bother warming up at all, and just lay into as the snow fell there. And I'm gonna try and use my memory here. Maybe I'll do one better and write them down. No, I won't. I'll only confuse myself. I'm a one-stream gal now. It got too confusing. Paddy, are you committing to the? Are you committing to the? There's 3 on the Instagram, and then one of them was me, so I know there's only 2 on it there. But it's not. The Instagram isn't too important. It's just to try and drive a few people over here. By the way, let's launch it there to. Okay, I'll do it as the snow fell. Let me just rack up the old. Do not like that old. My drum. That's the one. I'll try it up in B here and see what happens. Coolness was unforgettable, but a cold day can be so beautiful. Sadness did steal in and out. This girl has gone for now. We'll miss her, no doubt. And as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only beauty that hour. The snow so pure fell from the sky. When snowflakes fall and nothing dies, it's when angels fly. It's when angels fly. I like the thought of turning a moment of sadness into slight happiness. If she were here and seen a tear, she would be so mad to see you so sad. And as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only beauty that hour. The snow so pure fell from the sky. But snowflakes fall and nothing dies. It's when angels fly. It's when angels fly. Every story was told with smiles. tales of laughter echoed for miles. A visit to the square the night before. Good times were had there, good memories to store. And as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only beauty that hour. Snow so pure fell from the sky. When snowflakes fall and nothing dies, and as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only beauty that hour. Snow so pure fell from the sky. When snowflakes fall and nothing dies, some angels fly. Some angels fly. Some angels fly. Some angels fly. At all. Thank you very much. As the snow fell there for John J. Hardy, sounding class out in California. Mossy Power, are you in California? How are you doing there? Amy Anderson is in there as well. And nice to have you on the stream, Amy. I hope you're doing well. Kelly is in there as well. I'm Mac, loving the lights. Yeah, I like the old Christmas lights, I have to admit. And I do like them. I do like the old lights and how they look on the old camera. I'm joining you on the Bazooka tonight. Good man, Toby. Fair play, man. Okay, I'll see if I can go down there through the... let me just do Galway Girl. And go through them that way. And Zombie I saw there as well. And, okay, let's do it. Oh, my other plaque, do I? No, I don't, of course. Fuck you know. Okay. Well, I took a stroll on the whole long walk in the day. I met a little girl and I stopped to talk on a fine softy high. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do if your hair was black and your eyes were blue? And I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl round to solve the problem with the Galway girl. Yada da 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 da, yeah da 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 da, skilly dat, needly dat, needly dat, needle dat, da da needle dat, needle dat, needle dat, needle bam bam, needly dat, needle da, yeah da 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 da, skilly dat, needle dat, needle dat, da rum diddly doodle da. We were halfway there when the rain came down. Hey hey hey, she asked me up to her flat downtown, fine softy high. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? And I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl round to solve the problem with the Galway girl. Yada da 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 da, yeah da 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 da, skilly da needly da needly da doodle da 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 dum diddly da diddle da bam bam, yeah da yeah da 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 da, diddly da diddly da skilly da needle da da diddle da da, yeah diddle da bam bam da da da, skap diddle da needly da 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 diddle da bam bam. I was all alone in the day, aye, with a broken heart and a ticket home and a fight soft day, aye. And I ask you, friend, what the fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? See, I travel around, you know, over this world, boys. I never seen nothing like a Galway girl. Yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da 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 da, dilly da dilly da dilly da, la ba di ba, ding da di ba da da la ba di ba ba, yeah da yeah da 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 da, ra jam dilly di ba di da di la ba di ba da ba di ba ba, yeah this dilly da da la 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 di ba da, ra ba di da dilly da skit da di da ba dam de ba da Christmas time. Thank you very much. A bit of Galway girl there for, who was that one for? I think it was Meg. That was right. Meg, please and thank you. Very, very good. Okay, bit of zombie here now for you. Next, Amy Anderson was looking for a zombie, and if I missed her, I'm gonna try and move through the chat as quickly as I can and try and remember the old request there as well. So if I missed a request, just throw it in there again, and if I get it, if I miss it, I say just throw it in there again, you know. But I'll try and go through them as I'm hearing them. Keep pipe me in. I'd love to chime in during the bebop bada in this song. Oh, keep pipe me in. I'd love to chime in. This lad's a gal on chime in anywhere. Paratune Music joined on Instagram. They normally join me on the old Twitch, and hope you're well, Matthias. How are you getting on, man? And if you haven't checked out Paratune on Twitch, everybody, the streams are, I have to say, my favorite streams on Twitch. They're absolutely savage. Okay, so let me see here. Lots of chatter here on Instagram, and I'll have to look at that after. They're talking with someone here, and I don't know who it is. I don't know what it is. Okay. You look younger on Instagram, says Renata. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And by the way, I must just turn over this here because it's I know that's blocking my face there as well. That's annoying for me. It's kind of an OCD thing. I don't like it. Third for the second time. Iona Wyburn, beautiful song. Heard it for the second time now. Good stuff. I'm glad you liked that one there. I do like that song. Paul Lanigan's Balls O'Brien is in there. I'm late again by not by much. You haven't missed much. I was only came on around 10 past or something like that, so I'm here till about 11, Paul. So if you want to hear it in there, man, let me know. Otherwise, I'll do the couple of ones that I know you like. But that's all though. I won't do anything else for you. I said I was going to do something here. I'll do Zombie here. I almost know this, so I may not need the words too much longer. Mistaken. But you see, it's not me, it's not my family in your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs, their guns in your head, they are dying. What's in your head, in your head, zombie, 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 hey, hey. What's in your head, in your head, zombie, 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 hey, 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 yo, whoa, 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 whoa. Another mother's breaking heart is taken over. The violence causes silence. We must be mistaken. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they're dying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, 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 hey, hey. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, 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 hey, 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 yo, whoa, 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 whoa. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, 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 hey, hey. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, 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 hey, 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 yo, whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus. Rough as a badger's arse, but there you go. Zombie, that was for, I think that was for Amy. They were looking for that one there. I hate to break the news to you, Sai. Paul with the classic intro keep me entertained. And Mossy's in California. Cool, man. You're on holidays, or I presume, or something, or playing their music or something, on tour or something. I think, yeah. Good evening, Poland in touch. You have a beautiful voice. Who's that? Oh, but Jez, I don't know. I apologize. I don't know how to. Tank. There's a backwards end there. And a Haktakner. Papruskak, yeah. I'm sorry about that, but good evening. And dziękuję bardzo, the person there on YouTube listening there from Poland, I think. And you're very welcome to the stream. If you have any requests, let me know. Thank you for the lovely compliment. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes from that person there as well. Haktakna. We'll be calling you. Haktakna. Okay. Great song written by a Texan. Basket case for Caledonia, hey. Okay, I can do probably both of them once. And let me see. So green there, Caledonia, and I'm missing in here as well there. James McMullen is in there as well there. How are you, James? Very welcome to the stream. Gabby is in there as well. And Fairton, New York, I'll definitely do that one there. James McMullen, I'll do that one for you, pal. Let me just have an old let me see. I'm gonna do the chats are flying tonight. I'm at 100 messages there already. I should have warmed up for at least 20 minutes today. Let me do Caledonia first here. Might be easier on me. I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me these past few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away. I've been telling old stories and singing songs that make me think about where I came from. That's the reason why I feel so far away today. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, now you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Now I have moved, and I've kept on moving, and I've proven points that I needed proving. Now I've lost the friends that needed losing, found others on the way. Well, I've kissed the girls, and I've left them crying. I've stolen dreams, yes, there's no denying. I've travelled far with cold to sighing, somewhere with the wind. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, now you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Now I'm sitting here before the fire, the empty rooms are now a forest squire. The flames have died, don't get any higher. They've withered now, they've gone. Well, I am steady thinking my way is clear, and I know what I will do tomorrow. Now the hands are shaking and the kiss is slowed, and I will disappear. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, now you're calling me, now I'm going home. stranger. Know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. You have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once. I am one of those melodramatic fools. Neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. It all keeps adding up, and I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? Well, I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. He said it's the lack of sex that's bringing me down. Now I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore, and to quit my whining, 'cause it's bringing her down. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? To control, so I better hold on. So I better hold on. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? I think I'm stoned. Okay. Thank you very much. Jeez, I've got such a frog in my throat. Okay, that was Caledonia, and that was a bit of Jesus, nothing but the same old story as well. There, looking for. Okay, Christine, I'll do that one for you. Okay, see, so I'm missing loads of stuff here. Sea shanty. Oh yeah. Okay, I see it here now. Okay, can we have some sea shanty? I'll do the Wellerman. I like the Weller. I did the Wellerman last night, and I'll like it. Okay, let's do the Wellerman, and then I'll do, as I treat them as they're coming in here, sea shanty for Fernie and Bill, looking for this one here, and then I'll do not but the same old story for for Christina, and then I think Fairy Tale New York there for James. And I'll get through them that way, I reckon. So this one, I forgot already. Let me get it. Give me a nice chunky. Sounds like a couple of songs, doesn't it? There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew hard, her bowed it down. Blow my bully boys blow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right old whore. The captain cried all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and it caught her. All hands to the side, harpoon fought her when she died below. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale street. The captain's mind was not on greed, but he belonged to the whaleman's creed. He took that whale in tow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tight once more. All the boats were lost, there were only 4. Still that whale did go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far I've heard, the light's still on, the line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The weatherman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Oh, soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and take our leave and take our leave and go. There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder, bowed it down. Blow my bully boys blow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Thanks very much. There is the weatherman. Okay, I'm going to do a Fairy Tale of New York there now. Oh no, not with the same old story. That's right. And I'm looking forward to getting this one back going properly as well. Excuse me. Bit of snorting going on there. This is for Christina. Horhager. Yeah. I have 2 cans of Guinness and a bottle of Prosecco waiting downstairs. But tonight's not Prosecco night, so I'll be drinking the Prosecco up here. Okay, this is Fairy Tale of New York. I think the best Christmas song ever. I'll probably do it on me. It was Christmas Eve, babe, in the drunk tank. An old man said to me, won't be another one. And then he sang a song, the rear of Mountain Dew. I turned my face away and dreamed about you. Got on the lucky one, came in 18 to 1. I've got a feeling this year's for me and you. So happy Christmas, I love you, baby. We can see a better time when all our dreams come true. They've got cars, big as bars, they got rivers of gold. Where the wind goes right through you, no place are the old. When you first took me hand on a cold Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You're handsome, you were pretty, queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, they held out for more. Sinatra was singing, the drums they were singing. We kissed on the corner and danced through the night. And the boys of the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Da 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 da. Ya da 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 da. Ya da 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 da. Da 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 da. You're a bum, you're a punk, you're a louse on drugs, lying there dead and not tripping that bed. Oh, you scumbag, you maggot, you cheap blouse, you faggot. Happy Christmas, me arse, I pray God it's our last. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing Galway Babe, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, da 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 da. Now I could have been someone, what so could anyone? You took my dreams from me when I first found you. I kept them with me, babe. I pot them with my own. I can't make it all alone. I built my dreams around you. And the boys of the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Ya da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, ya da 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 da, da 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 da. And the boys of the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out, and the bells were ringing out, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Ho, ho, ho. boys of the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Ho ho ho! I can see my my ho 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 Instagram thing turned off there. I'll turn it on there now in a second. Nice one. Okay, thanks very much. I can see all the names in here. Oh, I meant to do nothing but the same old story, and I started. That's why I was an F. Shit. Oh shit. There we go. Born and raised out here, trying to keep Owen O'Sullivan and Brian Lynch in line. Mossy Power, do you know Owen Sullivan? I do not know that you know that. What's the connection there? Anastasia. Ah, okay. Thanks for that, Anastasia. Rebecca Jackie Hope is in there as well. I went to Toby Carvery today for lunch. I'm so full. Till tomorrow. That's alright, there's no bother. Sure, just lie down there and digest and chill out and relax and all that kind of stuff. Glad you had a nice old lunch there. And I'm going to do nothing but the same old story. I'm pretty sorry, Christina. I was in F, and then all of a sudden I changed. Marcel Dotman, hello. Apologies if I'm mistaken. Using Billy's Periscope seemed to be a massive, very popular thing, I think, amongst many people on these streams. And Periscope used to be where people used to stream. We did a couple of streams on it ourselves as Nafina before. Let me just put it back on this stupid Instagram here again. We're live again. It cuts out of Instagram, by the way. So what happened there was it detected the song Fairytale of New York, and it just cut it out. That's what I remember the last time it was cutting out there for Van Morrison. I bet you if I sang Van Morrison, Brown Eyed Girl, it would cut out there. I think they scan some songs are susceptible. I think that's what it is anyway. I could be mistaken, as I am quite a lot. Let me just see here if I'm back here again, live here again. Keith in is live again, and the angle is a bit different, but that's okay. And I did see Helly Fee is in there as well, and I saw Shane jumping in. Shane Butler there jumping in as well. Shane Butler jumping in on the stream, and if you're back on it there again, Shane, I'll say hello to you there, man. But I think you're gone off it there again. Woohoo! Shit. Yeah. So where was I? Mossy Power out there in California in Ozone Sullivan and Brian Lynch, and that wasn't a great pour, but I don't care. Something on my belly. So not but the same old story. Same old story. That's why it was an F all this time. Okay, good. Oh. Yeah. For Christina. 1, 2, 3, 4. was just about 19 when I landed on their shore with my eyes big as headlights. Like the thousands that came before, I was gonna be something. I smiled at the man scrutinizing my face as I stepped down off of the gangway. Came down to their city, where I worked for many years, built 100 houses. Must have pulled off 1,000,000 pints of beer, living under suspicion, putting up with the hatred. You can see that you're nothing but a murderer. Yeah, in their eyes, we're nothing but a bunch of murderers. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging. I know a place where we can put that right. Wash away the confusion, hold down the fire inside. But look out, yeah, I said look out, 'cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. I'm sick of watching them break up every time some bird brain puts a sound, making jokes on the radio. As the myths from all drown out the sound of the crumbling foundations. Any fool can see the writings on the wall, but they just don't believe that it's happening. There's a crowd says I'm alright, say they like my turn of phrase, take me around dinner parties. I like them dressed a monkey in a cage and I play my accordion. Whoa, but when the wine seeps to the facade, it's nothing but the same old story. Yeah, in their eyes, it's nothing but the same old story. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging. I know a place where we can put that right. Wash away the confusion, holds down the fire inside. But look out, yeah, I said look out, 'cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4. Got a brother in Boston, said he sent me on the fair, just wrote me a letter, making out that he's cleaning up out there. 3 cars in the driveway and a summer house way down at the Cape. I know he'd fix me up in the morning, but I've been thinking about it, and it seems so far to go. People say in a winter you get lost underneath the snow. There's a scarf from my home place, we've been planning to move back and give it a try, so I never got around to going. Yeah, that's why I never got around to going. So hey Johnny, can't wait for Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging. I know a place where we can put that right. Wash away the confusion, rolls down the fire inside. But look out, yeah, I said look out, yeah, I said look out, 'cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4. Stupid drum. Thank you very much. Not about the same old story. That was for Christina Horhager. And thank you very much, Christina, for the lovely gift. I haven't got it yet, but I believe it's something got to do with Christmas and beer, which is okay in my books. And you got this. Thanks very much, Anastasia, over there on YouTube. Thank you so much for jumping in on the stream. And if you're listening on Facebook, Ledge. If you're listening on Twitch, Ledge. And if you're listening on YouTube, Ledge. And if you're listening on Instagram, I hope you're enjoying the Instagram feed. It's going to be jumping in and out there because Instagram's a dick, and it just cuts off there, I think, after a while when you're singing covers and shit like that. But Pity is back in there as well. Lee Campion is in there as well. How you, Lee? How you getting on, man? What's the story? I hope you're doing okay, pal. What's that? Let me just charge this. And I think that's, I can't really see the picture, but I think that's Lee from Drops of Green there. Anyway, I think it's this. It is the same Lee. Yeah, Lee, hope you're well, man. From the mighty band Drops of Green, sound fellas and great musicians there. Check them out. If you haven't checked them out already, I know most of you guys know them anyway. What's that? Offets. High School Prophets is in there as well. Another fantastic band, absolute legends. And let me just see if I can top up the Skinners here without falling off the chair. The last time I left a bit in it and I nearly died. Of High School Prophets. I was looking at the High School, and then Offits is down underneath there as well. So, guys, thanks very much for jumping in on the stream. If you do want a better experience, jump over there to Twitch, Key Finn Music, or jump over onto YouTube, Ciarán Finn Music, or Facebook there. And my Twitch isn't working great at the moment, but my YouTube, the quality was great last time when I did a playback there. But my Twitch isn't super duper. For some reason, I don't know. You have to re-enter. Yeah, it cuts out after 1 hour. Is that what happens, Paddy? It cuts out after an hour, or what? Because I remember streaming before, and we streamed for half an hour, and it cut out on me. Maybe it could be just the phone, you know. Happy anniversary there to Fernie and Bill. Congratulations, guys. Can we have a surprise song? You take a chance on Painted Black again? I would, Paul. I'm after missing loads of these ones here. Now I'm Easy isn't going very well at all, Paul. I haven't. All I have it is in my playlist, and I'm kind of relying right now on memory to kind of be able to play them by ear without sitting down. Because I actually have a couple of things I have to learn for different things happening at the moment. But I will give Painted Black a go for you right now, because I think it's next in the next in the list. I think, as far as I can see, Eye of the Tiger, Weatherman, exactly. James, I'll try. I got the words there for Sit Down. Sarah Louise Lockyer, and it was great to meet you last night there again. Fantastic. Hope yourself and Rich had a great one there as well. And it was a bit of a mad night there. It was a bit of a funny night. We had two absolutely obnoxious people in there. The pub was kind of quiet there at the start anyway, and they were absolutely obnoxious. But they were weirdly obnoxious people in the venue. And when your mom was leaving, she was like, "We're going to a different pub," as if we cared. Thank God. Good riddance. And then we had another guy as well. I think he was from Greece. I don't know, but he looked like Luke Kelly. He was sitting behind us, and we turned around. Here was this guy that looked the image of Luke Kelly. I took a picture of him there and everything, with his permission, of course. I'll try James for you, Sarah Louise, because I did go over it once or twice. Once before you're here, to try and surprise you, and I forgot. So let me. I'll just do. Sorry, I'm way behind here. I'm gonna do Painted Black here for Paul. Okay. Come up over that, High School Prophets. Yep. The camera looks horrible there on that. That's a little iPhone 6. It doesn't look great at all. I think it's too bright or something. I don't know. Painted black. I did this one before a few times, didn't I? Okay. 28 years. Congratulations, Fernie and Bill there. That's a feat. So I'll do a song for you there. I'll do a nice surprise song there for you, some love song or something. Or if you do have any requests, I'll do it for you. But I will have a song in mind. I'll do for you guys. Here's a Painted Black, or some kind of version of it anyway. Oh my God, this keeps going down. I see a red door and I want to paint it black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn back. I see the girls walk by dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. I see a line of cars and they're all painted black. Flowers in my love note, never to come back. I see people turn their heads and quickly look away. Like a newborn baby, it just happens every day. I look inside myself and see my heart is black. Fade away and have to face the facts. It's not easy facing up when your whole world is black. Maybe then I'll fade away and not have to face the facts. No more will my green sea go turn a deeper blue. I could not foresee this thing happening to you. If I look hard enough into the setting sun, my love will laugh at me before the morning comes. I see a red door and I want to paint it black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn back. of Black there, a bit of Jesus Christ, the Rolling Stones. For Paul, and then I'm gonna do James. What's the James song? Sit Down is the one I got there. And then I'll do a song for Fernie and Bill there for their anniversary. Catherine Bryant's is in there as well. Shit, sorry, Mr. Keaton, that's no problem. I'm here for another hour and a half anyway, I think, so there's no problem. Still loads of left there. And Sarah Locklear, oh no, that's on the Twitch. Okay, I'm getting confused there. Thanks very much, Anastasia. You got this, you got this, you got this. Virtual hug. I think they are emojis or something that are being translated into that. I think so, no? Hickey, I love your version so much. You can be so proud. You're my hero. I don't know which version you were listening, which song that was, Paratune. Matthias, I don't know which one that was, because I'm way behind. How's the progress of Arthur McBride? Ryan McNamee, I was thinking about it today, Ryan, that was the progress that I made on that. I thought about it, but I will do it for you there because now I'm considering it a nice little kind of a Christmas kind of song there. Okay, let me do this one here. I never did this before at a gig or anything like that. I just listened to it and played along with it. So let's see how far I get with it. I sing myself to sleep, a song from the darkest hour. Secrets I can't keep inside of the day. Swing from high to deep, the streams of sweet and sour. I hope that God exists, I hope, I pray. Drawn by the undertow, my life is out of control. I believe this weight will bear my weight, so let it flow. Oh, sit down, oh, sit down, oh, sit down, sit down next to me. Oh, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down in sympathy. Oh, sit down, oh, sit down, oh, sit down, sit down next to me. Please sit down, 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 sympathy. And now I'm relieved to hear that you've been to some far out places. It's hard to carry on when you feel all alone. And now I've swung my back down again. It's worse than it was before. If I hadn't seen such riches, I could live with being poor. Oh, sit down, oh, sit down, oh, sit down, sit down next to me. Sit down, 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 sympathy. Oh, sit down, oh, sit down, oh, sit down, sit down next to me. Oh, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sympathy. Those who feel the breath of sadness, sit down next to me. Those who find they're touched by madness, sit down next to me. Those who find themselves ridiculous, sit down next to me. Love in fear, in here, in tears, sit down next to me. Oh, sit down, oh, sit down, oh, sit down, sit down next to me. Sit down, 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 sympathy. I added it with me at the end. It's not in that. Probably shouldn't, but I did it. That was for Sarah, Louise Locklear, over there with Rich there last night, in Dublin, in Lundyfoot's, and that's what I meant to do for you last night, but I didn't do it. I'm so losing all these. Let me do a song here for Fernie and Bill. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see, no, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Whoa, stand by me. Won't you stand by me? Yes, the sky that we look upon shall tumble and fall. All the mountains, they'll crumble to the sea. I won't cry, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Whoa, stand by me. Won't you stand by me? Stand by me. That was a song there for Fernie and Bill. They're true, I think it was 28 years married there as well. Joseph Cooper is in there as well, on the old Facebook. Them two girls were a nightmare last night. But that Greek guy looked just like Luke Kelly. He fair did look like Luke Kelly. Absolutely. Okay. I don't do what's that one that I just saw Paddy looking for there? Moondance. It's a is that one, is it? It's a marvelous dance. I don't do that one, Paddy. Moondance. The Van Morrison one, isn't it? Van Morrison Moondance, isn't it? I don't do that one. Not that I won't do that. I won't know kind of where to start it, or even how to try it for you. uh, Let me see here. We are big System of a Down fans. We are big System of a Down fans. If you can handle it, Are you System of a Down fans? I'd love to try Toxicity. I think I did it before with a band, but I'm not too sure. I'm not very. Jesus Christ! Come on, use the words. Use your words. I'm not very confident on the riff at the start. You know the riff at the start. Dun, 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 dun. But popping more requests there. I was gonna throw that in there anyway. Stupid lyrics there at the start. Don't even put on his face. The lyrics. Here we are. This is proper ones here. I'll try Arthur McBride, and I'll try. I won't be able to do that one there. What I can do is I can do the start account down there. But I put Toxicity in there for future reference. Facebook chat busted. Hello there. I don't know what's wrong with Facebook there. As I can't use it on my own phone. I can't even click into the video. Thanks, Paul. I'm way down here. Yeah, Paddy. I see you putting in Moonlands there again. That was probably after the first one there. A request from my daughter. Due in January, absolutely. Paul, what would you like to dedicate to your daughter due in January? And have you picked a name yet or anything like that? Well, the song is called "The Lakes Punch Train." I know I get my medicine. Do you want to hear that one, Marcel, or is that you just having a conversation with someone? Do you want to hear "Lakes Punch Train"? Let me know. I'm just going to fly down here through the chat, guys, and apologies if I missed any names jumping in on it there or anything like that. If you are listening there on Instagram, no, there's not. I think there's only one person listening. It could be Paddy, Petey. Is it Moon Dance? Oh, is it Moon Shadow? Is the one you're Shadow. I don't really do that one. Look, thing is gone again. The yoke is gone again. Instagram. And that's not 2 hours. That's just cut out there now. I've just seen it a few times. That must be the Bowie sings that one there. I don't even know that one either. Amy Anderson is heading away. Good night. Have a good one. My time is up. Oh shit. Marcel has to go. No bother, Marcel. I'll do the Merry Medley for sure. I'll do Right On for sure as well. That is the Cat Stevens song you're singing. I think I'll do Master McGrath as well for you, Paul, as well. Okay. Lanigan's Ball. You brushed it off to your brother. I know he sacked me. Okay, I'll try it again. Why not? Dancing in the Moonlight. I think I did Dancing in the Moonlight before Beta, and I murdered it. I did it live in a pub. But I'll try it. And I could do Moon Shadow. I could try Moon Shadow for you, Paddy. But it's not. Won't be great there without Bowie, you know. I prefer to wait for Bowie. But I could try it for you if you want. Oh yeah, this is not charging. That's why. That's another problem. told you they were going to fall. Okay. Oh no, they broke. Okay. Okay. Thank God. I think we're back on there again. Okay. What was I doing here again? The Rankin family, Gaelic medley. That's a class. Term Bertha. I don't do that one, but I think they have. Do they have Tell Me Ma inside that song, Tom? I think they might have Tell Me Ma and stuff there inside it. And I can do another few songs that they do as well. Mary's Wedding. I'm going to do that in one of the songs, one of the medleys that I do. I do Mary's Wedding and Step It Up Mary, and I can do a Luke Kelly song. Okay, I'll do a Luke Kelly song as well. Anything in particular, Paul? Any Luke Kelly song? I've got so many things coming in here that I don't know where to start. I know where to stand in the moonlight. A Luke Kelly song, Master McGrath, the Mary medley. There's something else there as well. Thanks very much. Thanks, Renata. I think it's Paul. Oh Jesus. Let me see. What will I do? What's a nice Luke Kelly song? Jesus, what's a nice Luke Kelly song? Let me have a look at my list here. I can do Raglan Road maybe. Let me just see. Guys, do me a favour, shoot back in the request there again. I'm so lost. So fucking lost. I know what kind of genuine work I have to do here. Just so I'll have them together. I didn't. Oh yeah, I see one here. I didn't realise Bowie sang Moonshot. I always thought it was Yuki. I know better. Yeah, I can do Brown Eyed Girl absolutely there as well. Let me just see if fix my lights. Yeah. Okay. Scorn his simplicity, the town loves so well, or wish I. Oh, that's a really one. I learned that one, Paul. Anyway, I wish I had someone to love me. That's a class song. I was kind of went over it there once or twice for a project I was doing during the summer. But that's a lovely song, and I'll dig into that one again. But I'll do The Town I Love So Well for you. I think that's a class song, and I don't do it enough. So let me see. I'll do this one here for you lads, and then I'll do Brown Eyed Girl, and then I'll do the Mary set, and then shoot into the comments there whatever I missed there as well. I don't do Father and Son, but I think I have the words there, John Harty. I'll do the song you're looking for there as well, Right On as well. In my memory, I will always see the town that I have loved so well. where our school played ball by that old gas yard wall, and they laughed through the smoke and the smell. Going home in the rain, running up the dark lane, past the jail and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways, in the town that I loved so well. In the early morn, the shirt factory horn called women from Cregan, the moor and the bog, while the men on the dole played a mother's role, fed the children and then walked the dog. And when times got tough, there was just about enough, and they saw it all through without complaining. For deep inside was a burning pride in the town that I loved so well. There was music there in the dairy air, like a language that we could all understand. I remember the day when I earned my first pay, when I played in a small pickup band. There I spent my youth, and to tell you the truth, I was sad to leave it all behind me. For I learned about life, and I found myself a wife in the town that I loved so well. But when I returned, how my eyes have burned to see how a town could be brought to its knees by the armoured cars and the bombed out bars and the gas that hangs to every breeze. Now the army's installed by that old gas yard wall, and the damned barbed wire fence gets higher and higher. With their tanks and their guns, oh my God, what have they done to the town that I loved so well? Now the music's gone, but they carry on, for the spirit's been bruised, never broken. They will not forget, but their hearts are set on tomorrow and peace once again. For what's done is done, and what's won is won, and what's lost is lost and gone forever. I can only pray for a bright, brand new day in the town that I loved so well. In the town Thanks very much. There is the town I love so well. We'll dedicate that there to Paul Lanigan's Balls O'Brien, and he is he's expecting a little girl in January. Paul, congratulations, pal. You must be absolutely excited there. Not quite a Christmas present, but a January present for you, absolutely, and a fantastic one at that. And I hope everything is going well with all that as well. Nice one. And I'll do Mastergraph here as well. Oh, something's here. Someone's winning a date or something. Thanks, John. I'll do Right On here for you now, and then I'll do the Mary set. Cat Steve, do I have Father and Son? I bet you have the words for there, but I'd have to go over it. I do have the words. Look at that. It's not time to make a change. Yeah, it's because it goes really high. It's not time to make a change. Relax, take it easy. You're still young. At your phone, there's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. I'm old, but I'm happy. I was always like you. I might be able to try that one for you, John. John Hardy, and I could do as well if I have time. I can do Scorn Not Your Simplicity as well for you, Paul. What was Tom? Tom, what were you looking for again? Tom Murthy was looking for something. I saw it there. Where is it? Where is it? God, a stupid chat. Due on your birthday. Yours is gone now. Oh, the Rankin family there, Tom. That's right. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do Right On here before I forget. Sorry for the throat clearing. Okay. True, you ride the finest horse I've ever seen. A standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wild and green. And you ride that horse so well, with hands light to the touch. I can never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. And you ride into the night without a trace behind. Run your claw along my gut. One last time I turn to face an empty space where you used to lie. I look for a spark that lights the dark like a teardrop in my eye. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Thanks very much. There's a little bit of Ride On there, and that one would be for Peggy. Sometimes looking for that one. I don't know if Peggy listening there, but John Hart was looking for that one there. And let's do the Mary set, Mary's Wedding here, and Rankin Family did a job of this, and then I'll do a bit of Tell Me Ma after that as well. For Tom was looking for some the Rankin Family, the Gaelic medley. God, stupid lights, and I won't be using those lights next time. Started the counting down. Anastasia, I'll do that one for you as well if I can, and I'll try the other few ones there that popped in there as well. Let me see. This is not where's my... Let me try and get this here. What's this one? Is it this one? What's this? Okay. Let's go back up here again. What was it doing again? Okay. This is a couple of the Mary set, as we call it. Bit of what's it called? Stepping Up Mary. No, Red Hair Mary, Mary's Wedding, and Stepping Up Mary. I was gone to the fair in Dingle one fine morning last July. A fine girl came up behind me. Red-haired Mary, I did cry, will you come with me? The red-haired Mary, the donkey he can carry too. She looked at me, her eyes a twinkle, her cheeks to her old rosy hue. Like the kindly sound she answered, then she tossed her bright red hair. Says I, well, how ride with me to Dingle Fair. When we reached the town of Dingle, she got me hand to say goodbye. When I took her, he came up behind me, hit me right in my left eye. Take hands off it here, Mary, seeing I had to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Take hands off it here, Mary, seeing I had to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Now I was feeling very peevish, my poor eye was sad and sore. I kicked the tinkle up the hobnail, knocked him to Tom Murphy's door. He galloped off to meet his father, the tallest man you ever did meet. He tapped me gently with his knuckle, now I'm missing two front teeth. And she, the happy carling man with you, I go, she said, never mind the priest this very morn. Tonight we'll sleep in Murphy said, take her hands off it here, Mary, she and I have to be wed. We were with the priest this very morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take her hands off it here, Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Yo! Round the corner came a peeler, told him I had broke the law. The donkey kicked him on the knee, he fell down and broke his jaw. Down through the fair together, my black eye and her red hair. Gazing gaily at the tinker, weren't we the happy pair? Take her hands off right here, Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take her hands off right here, Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Take her hands off right here, Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take her hands off right here, Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Step we gaily on we go, heel for heel, toe for toe, arm in row and row, off for Mary's wedding. Over hill ways, up and down, Myrtle Green, back and brown, past the shooting through the town, off for the creek on Mary. Step we gaily on we go, heel for heel, toe for toe, arm in row and row, off for Mary's wedding. Red her cheeks as rowing our, right her eyes as sunny stars, fairest of them all by far is our darling Mary. Step we gaily on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in row and row, off for Mary's wedding. Plenty herring, plenty meal, plenty fields to fill her keel, plenty bonny barns as well, that's the toast for Mary. Step we gaily on we go, heel for heel, toe for toe, arm in row and row, off for Mary's wedding. Step we gaily on we go, heel for heel, toe for toe, arm in row and row, off for Mary's wedding. Well, in the village of Kilgore, there's a maiden young and fair. Her eyes shone like diamonds, she had long and golden hair. When a countryman came riding up to her father's gate, he rode on him really quite standing. He came at the stroke of beat. Oh, stepping on Mary, fine daughter, stepping on Mary, if you can. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. I have come to wed your daughter, Mary, of the golden hair. I have gold and I have silver, I have goods beyond compare. I will buy for her 6 satins and a golden for her hand. I will buy for her a mansion, she'll have servants to command. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, stepping on Mary, if you can. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, stepping on Mary, if you can. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Ho! a maiden young and fair, her eyes shone like diamonds, she had long and golden hair. When a countryman came riding up to her father's gate, he rode on a milk white stallion, he came at the stroke of 8. Oh, step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Sir, like a soldier, I have pledged to him my hand. I don't want your gold nor silver, I don't want your house nor land. When he saw the smoke out sharply, you will do as you're told. You will marry him on Sunday, you will wear that ring of gold. Oh, step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Oh, step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. There's a deep stream running by. They found Mary there at midnight. See a drum with her soldier by. In the village there is music. You can hear her father say, well, step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Sunday is your wedding day. Well, step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Step it out, Mary, if you can. Step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Step it out, Mary, if you can. Step it out, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. My fine daughter, stepping on Mary if you can. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, stepping on Mary if you can. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Thanks very much. There's a little bit of a stepping on Mary, red-haired Mary, and Mary's wedding there, the Mary set. And I think we got rated. Who rated us? I'm not on. I'm doing the amalgamated chat here, so I'm streaming. I'm multicasting tonight. But is it Pandasaurus? Leon, did you give us an old raid? Is that right, man? Let me know. And raiders, people who just jumped in on the raid, if you aren't familiar with Twitch. I'm barely familiar with it myself. People who stream on Twitch can bring their viewers from their stream and pop them onto, once they're finished, they can drop them onto another stream. Someone, I think, has popped a few onto mine, I think, and it could be Leon Pandasaurus. Hello, Irish Music. Good man, thanks, Leon. And I think it was, let me just check here again. So we have lots of people here. Raid, oh no. Was it? No, was it Akina Suki? I better check here. I go on Twitch here and have a look, because it's very complicated for me. And so I'm not too sure who rated, but whoever was rated there, as far as the rules concerned and the ethics and all that kind of stuff, absolutely whatever you want, you can get an old request there for sure. Requests are free anyway, so just whatever. Just ask for the song. If I know it, I'll do it. And if I can squeeze it in, of course, I'll do it as well. All Raiders want Lanigan's ball, or they're off to another pub. Leon, request whatever song you want, man. Whatever song. If I know it, I'll do it. If I kind of know it, I'll kind of do it there. So just let me know what you want to hear. Leaving of Liverpool. Absolutely, I'll do that one for you. Let me see here. I might have to get my harmonicas. I have some here, but I don't know are they any good. These are my retired harmonicas, and let's see if they work. Let's see if I have the one that I need here. Let's see. Someone's doing a bit of hammering downstairs. That's right. No problem. Keep making loads of noise there. It's alright. That's right. Bang away. Don't mind me. Just recording a video here. What key is this one here? I might have to go and get a harmonica. What key is this? I will actually need that. F1. Let me see. Maybe I can do it in D. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, what's this one? C sharp, G, E flat. That's E. That's E. That'll do. Okay, so this one's for Leon. It's almost past 5 here. I'm ready to go to the pub. Good man, John. John is ready to go to the pub, and that's what we wanted. It's not pub day though. It's a Thursday. Every day is pub day. Okay, good, nice sound here, and okay, that's cool. So I'll do Leaving Liverpool there for all the Raiders, and Leon there rated me there, I think. Hard Times to Ireland, If I Ever Leave This World Alive. I'll do that ones for you. Who's the guy in the floor you're kicking? I started counting down as well. Okay, I'll do Leaving Liverpool, and then I'll go back and I'll do If I Ever Leave This World Alive. Then I'll do Start the County Down, and then I'll see if I can do The Island or Hard Times as well. Pity. And then I might have to see if I can. If the person who's looking for Arthur McBride as well still wants that as well, I'll try it. Thanks Tom. Priest, I hope you like that set, man. And there's a couple of sets that I really love watching on YouTube from the Rankin family. Maria Soderstrom, hello. Is this still happening? It's still happening, Maria. It's still happening. I've committed to it. I've turned down live gigs to be here. So here's the Leaving Liverpool for Leon, and thanks for the raid, man. Welcome Raiders as well. My name is Ciarán. I'm from a place called County Laois, but I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland. And I sing whatever I know, basically, whatever I can get away with. Doing a lot of Irish songs, drinking songs. I'll do the original start I used to do before. My own true love, I'm going far So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Now I sail on board a Yankee ship, Davy Crockett, it was her name. And the captain of her, his name was Burgess, and he said that she's a floating shame. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. In the harbour, love, and I wish I could remain, for I know it will be a long, long time before I'll see you again. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Oh. Thank you very much. There is the leaving of Liverpool, especially for Panther Source, aka Leon over there on Twitch there, who gave me the old raid there as well. And thank you so much for that. And keep the requests coming. If there's another song you guys want to hear, and if I can squeeze it in, be Jesus, I'll do it. We appreciate you way more than the punters in the pub. Well, that's ain't that the truth, Paul? Absolutely there as well. And I don't know where you hear on before when myself and Sarah Louise Locklear were talking about two obnoxious punters in the pub I was playing in last night. They were poxy. They were two of the most poxiest people I've met in a pub, and not including the last 2 years, but obviously in many, many years. They were horrible people. I don't have to worry about giving up on one here because they're not going to be listening, and I don't think the pub that I play in is going to be listening. But they wouldn't mind either because they were terrible human beings. I've seen the recent actual evidence that you have hair under that hat. Yeah, I guess I do. There's my hair. But I just for some reason I just like throwing on the old hat. I got my hair cut as well a couple of days ago, but I just like wearing the hat. I think it's the light or something there coming down on my head. It's nicer for me or something. Up leash is right. Jack Whitefoot is driving home from work. The old boy's song when he's full of porter. Is that the Leaving Liverpool one? That's his song, is it? That's the right job. No bother. You're very, very welcome, Panda Source. Many more requests there. I'll do it there. I'm going to continue on with If I Ever Leave This World Alive, and then I'm going to start a countdown. A few people looking for that one. I think it was Anastasia requested it, or a few people second. I just came home from a pint with a good friend Sam and another company rock bottom. Forces everyone now works to answer their phones. You reach rock bottom. How may I help you? That's class. Sam sounds like a legend. What do you mean horrible punters? I wasn't even in. These were these were different. Like a different kind of. These were terrible people, Maria. Not just people having the crack. This is why you need a manager. I needed someone with a fucking bazooka last night. Anyway, it was grand. We dealt with them. Wasn't our first rodeo. Why would you waste a haircut that's only a few days under what your barber is weeping? The lights. I told you the lights. The hat just makes it easier on the old eyes. I think there. I love the phone greeting. What's the phone greeting? What's the Patty Reese? What's the phone greeting? At bash at Jeremy's Landing Vault. I'll give that a bash there, but Jesus, listen with what do you call it? Understanding ears or whatever. I was in Lundyfoot's again there. Also banter site. Any chance of White Rabbit? Marie, you can't just jump in on here on the stream at 2.5 hours after looking for songs about white rabbits. But yeah, if I squeeze it in, we'll do that one there. And I still have to do Master McGrath, so maybe I'll put those two together for sure. Here's Start the Countdown anyway. Near Bromwich-town in the county down on a last July. Down a boring green came a sweet Colleen and she smiled as she passed me by. She looks so sweet and hard to bear with a sheen around the brown hair. Rockin' check the with me head, that's in there. From Banshee Bay to Derry Cave, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid a cynical sweet Colleen and I met in the county down. As she on my spread to shake me head, I gives it a feeling rare. And says I to a passerby, who's your mama with the nut brown hair? He smiled at me with pride as he is the tulip of Ireland's town. Now Rosie McGrath at the back of the band and the Ciarán the county down. From Banshee Bay to Derry Cave, from Galway to Dublin town. Now made a cynical sweet Connie and I met in the county down. She had a soft brown eye and her lips a style and a smile like a rose in June. And you hardly snuff from her upper toe as she lived in her lantern tunes. At the pattern and that she be in a trance to skip to a chicken reel. And her eyes she only she lit her son in her heart giving like you steel. From Banshee Bay to Derry Cave, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid a scenic a sweet Connie and I met in the county down. At the harvest fair she surely be there and her dressing me Sunday clothes. With me hat crack and me shoes and bright for the kissing and a brown nose. No pipe a smoke or horse and look, the rust of me round and round. From me own project to the smile and back to the star the county down. From Banshee Bay to Derry Cave, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid a scenic a sweet Connie and I met in the county down. Oh! From Banshee Bay to Derry Cave, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid has seen a good sweet Connie and I met in the county down. From Banshee Bay to Derry Cave, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid has seen a good sweet Connie and I met in the county down. passing by. She looks so sweet in her to bare feet, with a sheen of her brown hair. Sought the coach and invite to shake me serve to make sure I was standing there. From Bantry Bay to Derry Cave, I'm going to Dublin town. No made a scene like a sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. As she on the spade to shake me head, I gave it a feeling rare, and says I to a passerby, who's a man with enough brown hair. He smiled at me with pride, he says he is the jewel of an Ireland's crown. Young Rosie McCann from the banks in the band and the star the county down. From Bantry Bay to Derry Cave, I'm gone with a Dublin town. No, oh, made a scene like a sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. Dublin town, no made a scene like a sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. From Bantry Bay to Derry Cave, I'm going to Dublin town. No made a scene like a sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. Dublin town, no made a scene like a sweet Colleen and I met in the county down. From Bantry Bay to Derry Cave, I'm going to Dublin town. No made a scene like a sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. Thank you very much. Start of the county down there, and that was a few people looking for that one there. Got back to the land of dragons and unicorns an hour ago. Sarah Louise must be back in Newport. Key, have you and Bowie ever thought of doing 24-hour music marathon stream? Would you guys ever accept the challenge? I would. Bowie can barely last 3 hours. Barely. But I would accept that challenge. 24 hours, Jesus, that's a long time. I'll tell you what, we would accept. I would do a 24 music marathon stream, somewhere for like some kind of charity or something like that with other people. You know, like the likes of Liam Fitz and stuff there. Liam, would you come in there do a stream for 6 hours? 21 hour stream, and then we do 3. You know, the likes of that would be kind of cool. If we found a venue that would support us, we could do something like that. But having said that, we would do a stream for like a 12-hour stream. That would be more doable. Like we'd start 12 o'clock during the day, or 3 o'clock in the day and go on to 3 o'clock at night, or 12 o'clock in the day, 12 o'clock at night. Something like that, or maybe even less again, just to start off to see is something like a 24 even possible. Because right now with work and stuff like that, and other projects, it would be kind of pretty tough. But yeah, we would accept some kind of challenge like that. Thanks very much, Leon and Paddy. I'm gonna do thingy for you if I ever leave this world alive. Thanks, John. Thanks, John Hardy. And we are still planning on a Christmas Zoom. I just need to sit down with Bowie here. He's crazy busy at the moment. I just need to catch him there, and we're gonna. We have it worked out. It's going to be on, guys. Just earmark your calendars for a Christmas Zoom. I know it might not suit you guys, but it's a Thursday, and I think it's where's my Thursday here? God, get out of the way. Faker. It could be the 16th, guys. So it could be 2 weeks from now. So not next Thursday, the Thursday after. Wednesday, Thursday. That's what we could be planning. Like a Christmas Zoom or something like that. And it could be like 9 o'clock or something like that, 8 o'clock. Let me know if that appeals to you. And we must have picked a Thursday because we're doing something every other night. Now that doesn't mean we're not doing a few streams somewhere there, but that's the Zoom. 24 cans of black stuff. I would never be able to handle 24 cans, Liam. I think I gave a good go at 20 cans before, 20 pints before. Although 24 hours is a long time. We'll be able to squeeze in 24 cans. Yeah, Crimbo Zoom. Thursday work. Thursday at night time. Some people could be on their holidays, no, but undoubtedly. Hello from Toronto, Steve Kerr. How are you getting on, Steve? So yeah, guys, things are just so crazy busy at the moment with a few different projects on there. We're hoping to get a Christmas stream. We're hoping to do a takeover for Glasgow as well. Our own Christmas stream, a takeover on the Glasgow page, the Glasgow Irish bands page. The Glasgow page, Murray Lee's page, and we're hoping to do a takeover of that it's charity takeover, and we're hoping to do our own stream, and we're hoping to do a Christmas Zoom as well. Definitely that's on the 16th. But we'll be probably announcing that there this week, maybe probably tomorrow or somewhere over the weekend. And yeah, so the takeover in Glasgow, our own Christmas stream, and then a Zoom as well. We could do a stream and a Zoom on the same night, for 4 or 5 hours or something like that. Okay, let me do If I Ever Leave This World Alive, and then I'll go back and see what we're missing out on there. I'll do Master McGrath there as well for Paul, and I'll see if I can squeeze in the White Rabbit there as well for Maria. And guys, if I forgot anything else there as well, pop them in there as well. I know Paddy put in a few of them there, and I'll see if I can get to them as well. But whatever I missed, let me know, because I'm going to finish in about 15 minutes. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, I thank you for the things you did in my life. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, I'll come back down and sit beside your feet tonight. Wherever I am, you'll always be more than just a memory. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, if I ever leave this world alive, I'll take on all the sadness that I left behind. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, all the madness that you feel will soon subside. So in a word, don't shed a tear. I'll be here when it all gets weird. Well, if I ever leave this world, hey, I may never leave this world, but if I ever leave this world alive, she said, well, I'm okay, I'm alright, though you have gone from my life. You said that it would, now everything should be alright. Oh, now she said, well, I'm okay, I'm alright, though you have gone from my life. You said that it would, now everything should be alright. Yeah, it should be alright. Yeah, it should be alright. If I ever leave this world alive, I thank you for the things you did in my life. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, I'll come back down and sit beside your feet tonight. Wherever I am, you'll always be more than just a memory. Well, if I ever leave this world, hey, I may never leave this world. If I ever leave this world alive. Thanks very much, guys. There's a song called "If I Ever Leave This World Alive." Let me just check back here on Instagram here for a second. I'm only streaming on Instagram as a little push to get some people over looking at my Twitch, and YouTube, and Facebook streams there when I'm multicasting there at the moment there. But you guys are welcome on the stream anyway, and to stay there as long as it stays active. I'm happy to have you guys there listening away. And Sean Frayne music is on there as well, and Owen Sully music there as well. Mossy Powers is down there with you, Owen. Apparently, I heard. Keeping yourself and Brian in check, apparently. Nice one. Okay. And Thursday, December 16th, to save. Let us know what to prepare for or how to support the crack. What we're hoping for is something similar to what we did in Paddy's Day, where people sent in some kind of music and things like that. Like what I'd love to hear would be cool. Would be some kind of Christmassy songs. You know what I mean? Like whatever, like 30 seconds of us. It could be a full song of a set. Or it could be a poem. It could be a song. Whatever you want. It doesn't have to be a Christmas one either. It could be anything, just a tune or something like that. Anything at all, but something that you guys can and it could be just a video of nice lights in your hometown or something like that, or a Christmas tree, or whatever you open a present, or you take a picture of yourself or a video of yourself drinking a pint of Guinness. Whatever, just anything that we can have you guys joining in on the Zoom. That'd be pretty cool. We love the last time the talent show thing was deadly. I don't like the competitions. We don't want to have any people competing and stuff like that, but just more of a show, like a talent show more than talent competition, if that makes sense. I'll start recording now. Maria, calm down. I just know you're going to do something crazy. I don't want to put any pressure on you to do something crazy, but you know, there are three rolling, facey, laughy things. I'm just, you know, whatever, poem, whatever, hello, whatever, eating a bowl of pasta, whatever you want to do. Keep it family friendly enough, I suppose. We're hoping to have a few kiddies on doing some music as well. That'd be cool. That'd be nice. Okay. The Finces are doing just fine over here. Nice one. I'm a Deli 56. Who's that? Who was that again? Who's that? I'm a Deli again. I keep forgetting. Cash Ashton can blow bubbles out of his nose. If you can catch, is it a snot bubble or is it just whatever he drinks? Whatever. I'm intrigued. Let us know, Carly. But that'd be cool. We'll put up a trigger warning for anyone who doesn't want to see babies blowing bubbles out their nose. How rude. Whatever. But yeah, your last one was cool, Maria. I think you had, what was it again? People singing or something? Parting glass, was it? Oh, children, yes. Instagram has gone again. Bollocks. Okay, I'll conjure pasta, and then I'm going to finish off then with, let me see, I'll go back on Instagram for the last 10 minutes here, and then we'll try not lock down these lights. Jesus, stupid lights. That's scared. Back on Instagram again if anyone wants to jump onto it. Okay, let me do Alcondra pasta, and then I'm going to do see if whatever, who else was looking for something there. I need to do okay. I'll see if I can squeeze in 3 after that. Sparrow than a snail. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. I surely would. I'd rather be a hammer than a nail. Yes, I would, if I could. Yeah, I surely would. I surely would. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. A man gets tied up to the ground. He gives the world his saddest sound, his saddest sound, his saddest sound, his saddest sound, his saddest sound. 1, 2, 3. A forest and a street. Yes, I would, if I could. I surely would. I surely would. I'd rather feel the earth beneath my feet. Yes, I would, if I could. I surely would. I surely would. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. A man gets tied up to the ground. He gives the world his saddest sound. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. A man gets tied up to the ground. He gives the world his saddest sound, his saddest sound, his saddest sound, the saddest sound, the saddest sound. 1, 2, 3, ho! I'd rather be a sparrow than a snail. Yes, I would, if I could. I surely would. I surely would. I'd rather be a hammer than a nail. Yes, I would, if I could. I surely would. I surely would. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. Oh man, that's tied up to the ground. He gives the world his saddest sound. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. Oh man, it's tied up to the ground. He gives the world his saddest sound, his saddest sound, his saddest sound, his saddest sound, his saddest sound. Okay, thank you very much. I'm going to do what was the request there? Okay, I'll try the White Rabbit. I'll try Craig in there for a bit. Craig and here for Maria, and then I'm going to see if I can do Noel Brennan. Noel Brennan is in there. Is that our Noel Brennan? I can't see the picture. Noel, is that you? Is that you, Noel? Okay, I'm gonna try the Craig and White hair there for Maria, and then I'm gonna do I'm gonna see if I can do what was it, Master McGrath there for Paul, and then I'll see if maybe Lanigan's Ball. I'll have a look at the time and see what else comes in there. So I've murdered this one a few times there, but it's getting there. It's getting there. It's the old language is kind of getting me. I think I have the chords down enough to. the lowlands of Cregan to live the white hare, swift as the swallow that flies through the air. He may tramp o'er the world, but none can compare to the pride of old Cregan, that bonny white hare. One clear autumn morning, as you will suppose, the red golden sun o'er the green mountain rose. Barney Conway came down and he did declare, this day I'll put an end to the bonny white hare. So he searched through the lowland and down through the glen, all among the wild ditches where the white hare had ends, till at last came down o'er the heather so fair. From behind the wild thistle out jumps the white hare. Bang, bang went his guns and his dogs he slipped to, as swift as the wind o'er the green mountain flew. But his dogs soon came back and it made Marnie sigh, for he knew that that white hare had bid him goodbye. And we're some jolly sportsmen from down in Pomeroy, from Cookstown, Dungannon, and likewise the Moy. With our pedigree greyhounds we travelled from far, and we've come down to Cregan in our fine motor car. Well, into the lowlands these huntsmen did go, in search of the white hare they looked high and low, till at last Barney Conway from a bog fan so rare shouted down to the huntsmen, there lies the white hare. So they called up the greyhounds on the green of the lea, and Barney the huntsman jumped high with glee. It was there on the bog bank all gathered around, 7 dogs and 9 men did that course around. Oh, under the white hare did tremble with fear, as she stood on her hind legs she would raise her big ears. And she stood on her hind legs with one gallant spring, she jumped over the greyhounds and broke through the ring. Well, the chase it went on, and 'twas a beautiful view, as swift as the wind o'er the green mountain flew. But those pedigree greyhounds, they didn't run far, they came back and went home in their fine motor car. Then there was came another man, you all know him well, his name was Mick Kelly with the bonny black bell. In search of the white hare, today I'll have fun, I'll bet 50 to 1 my black bell on her turn. 5 turns the hare got, and from the black bell, and the 6th one was given round John Hawley's well. It was there we lost sight of the hare and the dog, but 10 minutes later came o'er the black bog. Well, the chase it went on, that was great for to see, the white hare and the black dog both roamed light and free, till she travelled to Usker, she knew the land well, and the bonny black Nella there stood bid farewell. Oh, now to conclude, to finish this rhyme, I'll hope you'll forgive me for singing this while. If there's any amongst you in Carrickmore Fair, please drink up a health to that bonny white hare. I was going to go on there, but I won't. That's the last verse there. I was going to try something else after, but I didn't. Okay. From a white hair to a Master McGrath, a dog that caught the hair, and those pedigreed greyhounds didn't go very far at all. So here's Master McGrath. Let me see if I remember this, Paul, for you. 1869 being the date and the year, those Waterloo sportsmen and more did appear, but they gained the great prizes and bear them a wall, never counting on Ireland and Master McGrath. On the 12th of November, the day of renown, McGrath and his keeper, they left Lurgan town, a gale in the channel that sure drove them more. On the 13th they landed on fair England shore. Oh well, when they landed there in big London town, their great English sportsmen all gathered around, and one of those gentlemen standing nearby said, "Is that the great dog you call Master McGrath?" Well, one of those gentlemen standing around says, "I don't care a damn for your Irish greyhound," and another he sneered with a scornful ha-ha, "We'll so humble the pride of your Master McGrath." Well, there the Lord Longard came forward, said, "Gentlemen, if there's any amongst you has money to spend for your grand English nobles, I don't care a straw. Here's 5,000 to 1 on Master McGrath." Oh, Master McGrath, he looked up on his tail, informing his lordship, "I know what you mean. Don't fear noble Brownlow, don't fear them McGrath. We'll soon tarnish their laurels," said Master McGrath. Oh well, Rose stood uncovered, the great English pride. Her master and keeper were close by her side. They let him away and the crowd cried hurrah for the pride of all England and Master McGrath. Master, they both rang along. "I wonder," says Rose, "what took you from your home? You should have stayed there in your Irish domain, and not to come to gain laurels of Albin's plain." "Well, I know," says the Master, "you wild heather bogs, but be God, in all Ireland there's good men and good dogs. Lead on bold Britannia, give none on your jaw, and stuff that up your nostrils," says Master McGrath. Well, the hare she led on just as swift as the wind. He was sometimes before her and sometimes behind. He jumped on her back and he held out his paw. "Long live the Republic," says Master McGrath. Thanks very much. There is a song called Master McGrath for Paul Lanigan's Balls O'Brien. We got it, Paul. A few words missing there for sure. Okay, it's getting there. That one's getting there, and the one about the rabbit is getting there, and the one about the dog is getting there, for sure. Nice one. Thanks very much, Liam. Okay. Let me try landing his ball here for the crack. And don't expect that in there. I haven't been working on it as a surprise or anything like that. But let me just try it for the crack. And I won't finish with that one. I'll finish with something I know. So I know there was more requests that went in there as well. So say me going back there, let's put in something that someone really wanted to hear. Someone was like bursting to hear something there, and I know I might have missed it. In a town of let me see. So Lanigans balls. Paste. No, yeah. Let me see here. I'm still on Instagram here. A few people looking here. If you're listening to Instagram, I am over here. I'm only on kind of on Instagram, kind of as a little side angle thing there, but I'm on streaming properly on Twitch and Facebook and YouTube as well. If you want to get a better streaming experience, but I'm coming to an end there now. Obviously, this is my second last song, I think. But in future, if you would like to hear and see, have a better visual and an audio experience and things where my phone doesn't fall down like that, go over there to Twitch or YouTube or Facebook, and if you want, or you can stay on Instagram there as well. I'll keep doing it as long as it works. Hickey Pal, Fiddler's Green on the whistle, pal. Congratulations there to Paul Hickey as well, who's just had a little girl. He's down there in New Zealand there. I think we're in Christchurch, Paul. Fair enough. Congratulations, man. And she looks gorgeous there, and I hope everything is okay with yourself, dude. And that's an absolute blessing. Fantastic stuff. I'm delighted for you, dude. I don't do it on a whistle, but I could sing it for you if you wanted. Fiddler's Green, if you really wanted that, and dedicate it to. I never got the little one's name. You wanted to tell me, and if you want me to do that. But here's Lanigan's Ball. Oh, I think I did it in. One Jeremy Lanigan, brother, we wait till he hadn't the shilling. His father died and he made him a man again. Left him a farm with 10 acres of ground. He gave a comparative defence and relationship for him who came to the wall. Oh, that's not the right one. What the that's not the one. In the town of Athy. In the... Hold on, what that one was. He hadn't the pound. Where's shilling in the town of Athy. In the town. I started living from he gave a party friends relationships. Oh, I'll give it a go again there. Fuck. Shit. Sugar. Okay, let's try it here again. It's so weird. It's not a... It doesn't Doesn't make sense to me. Doesn't ring a bell at all, Paul. Would you believe it? Paul Lanigan's Balls O'Brien. In the town of a Taiwan, Jeremy Lanigan battered away till he hadn't a pound. His father died, made him a mannequin, left him an acre and acres of ground. He gave a grand party to friends and relations who did not forget him. It came to the wall. If you'd only listen, I'll make your eyes glisten. Then rouse and ructions at Lanigan's ball. Does that sound okay to you? I don't recognise that verse at all. Well, me said to be sure to free invitations to small nice girls and boys I might ask. Less than a minute, both friends and relations were dancing as merry as bees in a cask. Lashings of punch and wine for the ladies, potatoes and cakes, there was bacon and taters, Nolans and Dolans, O'Grady's and Devon and Court, and all girls all dancing away. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, 6 long months doing nothing at all. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, learning to dance at Lanigan's ball. She stepped out again, I stepped in again, she stepped out, I stepped in again, she stepped out, I stepped in again, learning to dance at Lanigan's ball. That's it, I can't remember that at all. I must have been very drunk in the lockdowns. They were doing all kinds of nonsensical polkas round their room in a whirly gig. But Julia and I banished their nonsense, tipped up them twist and reel in a jig. Oh, how the girl, she got really mad at me, danced around, you'd think the ceiling would fall for long with Square Brooks Academy, learning to dance at Lanigan's ball. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, 6 long months doing nothing at all. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, learning to dance at Lanigan's ball. She stepped out and I stepped in again, she stepped out, she stepped in again, I stepped out, she stepped in again, learning to dance at Lanigan's ball. No, don't recognise any of that. Well, the boys were merry, the girls all hearty, dancing around in couples and groups. Then an accident happened in Ciarán McCarthy. He put his leg through Miss Finity's hoops. The creature, she fainted and cried holy murder, called for her brothers and gathered them all. And Carmody swore he'd go no further, he's get a sax till he gets satisfaction for Lanigan's ball. Jesus. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, 6 long months doing nothing at all. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, learning to dance at Lanigan's ball. I stepped out and she stepped in again, I stepped out and she stepped in again, I stepped out, she stepped in again, learning to dance at Lanigan's ball. Now, boys, oh boys, boys, oh boys, there was such eruptions, I got a kick from failing my cue. I soon to ride to his run position, kicked him a terrible, horrible low. Casey the piper was nearly been strangled. They squeezed up his pipes, but his champers and all the girls in their ribbons, they got entangled and that put the end to Lanigan's ball. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, 6 long months doing nothing at all. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, learning to dance at Lanigan's ball. I stepped out and she stepped in again, I stepped out, she stepped in again, I stepped out, she stepped in again, learning to dance at Lanigan's ball. I stepped out and she stepped in again, I stepped out and she stepped in again, I stepped out, she stepped in again, learning to dance at Lanigan's Paul's Balls O'Brien's ball. Holy Jesus, I can't remember any. I don't remember those last 2 verses there, but maybe I don't know. I can't remember those first verses, dude, at all. And it didn't get easier, I have to say. Coming back to it there. Is Paul Hickey still on there? Does you want to hear Paul Hickey? Because I went on my Instagram there again. Bean Van Ader, Paul Mulligan, is on there on the old Instagram there. If you guys just joined us there as well, if you want, I'm live on Twitch, YouTube and Facebook there, the proper stream. This is just a phone and a little plug gone into it there, just as a little side angle there. But if you want to have the proper stream, the proper the experience there with stereo and good visuals and all that kind of stuff, head over onto Keyfin Music on Twitch or Ciarán Fin Music on the old YouTube or Facebook. Give us an old like or a poke or whatever. Give us a like and hit the notification thing as well on Twitch. You can follow me, you can hit the notification thing, and you can follow me on YouTube as well. Hit the notification bell. And the same on Facebook as well. And it'll tell you when I'm going live the next time. I'm going to leave off with one more song. Stepped out and stepped in again. Not cancelled. This song is a bit of a faker to sing. It is an absolute bitch to sing. Even you can even hear when Christy Moore does it. He panics a little bit. Not panic, but he's like, "Oh Jesus, why did I do this?" See, I just rolled off the old tongue. I know a few people that sing. I know Stephen Leeson sings it there. It'd be typical of a song that he'd sing. Absolutely mental hard one there. Liam, do you do that one there? Liam is still in there. Right, I'll do Jafar just jumped in there as well. Jafar, you're so late that I've only one more song left here to do. Do balls often just roll off your tongue? Maria. No, I warned you. Okay, I don't see Paul Hickey on it here at all. But let me see. I could do. Let me see. What could I do? What's a song that I can kind of fart around in? I thought I had Arthur McBride on here, but I don't. No, not a bitch. Let me see if I can get Arthur McBride and finish off with it. Instead of a big mad one. I'll do this one here. Someone mentioned it here, but it was on my list anyway. Oh, do you know what I could do? Let me see if I have it here. And I think it'd be nice to do for the last song. Let me have a look at it here. Might not be everyone's cup of tea. Okay, you have a choice. I can do the Christmas Vacation song there from National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, or I can do Arthur McBride. What you want? Contender. Ooh, jeez, that'd be nice. Tell you what, I'll do the Contender because I haven't done it in ages and I want to do it. And then let me know if you want to hear the National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation song or Arthur McBride. I don't mind doing the Contender because I'm trying to learn it. Where the Sugar Puffs is it? Where is it? I don't even have it. It's not Holiday Road, Maria. It's the other one. Hip hip hooray for Christmas vacation. I was young and I was in my day. I could steal what no woman's heart there was away. I'd sing and dance until the morning, blaze away until the dawning, long before I was the man you see today. Now I was born beneath the star that promised all, I could have lived my life between Cork Cove and Youghal, but the wheel of fortune took me from the highest point, it shook me. By the bottle live, by the bottle I will fall. But there in the mirror on the wall, I see the dream is fading from the contender to the brawl. The ring, the rose, the matador raving. And when I'll die drunk down on the street. And you can count me out to 10 in clear defeat. Wrap the starry pow around me and let the piper's ear resound me. There I'll rest until the Lord of love I'll meet. But there in the mirror on the wall, I see the dream is fading, the contender to the brawl. The ring, the rose, the matador raving. When I was young and I was in my day, I could steal what woman's heart there was away. I'd sing and dance until the morning, blaze away until the dawning, long before I was the man you see today. Long before I was the man you see today. There's a song called Contender there as well. I should have brought that down a little bit there. Thanks very much, because I had a business meeting in Ciarán and see what is going around. I have to finish up Kelly now though. I pushed over the 3 hours there, so try my best there to keep it going there for you. So I'm gonna do let me see. But let me see. Holiday Road. Christmas Vacation. Okay, yeah, it's got nothing on Holiday Road, but absolutely, Liam does that one a lot better than I do it. And if you haven't listened to him singing it, it's a beautiful song. I love it. Okay, I'll just do Christmas Vacation there for the crack, and I'll do Art McBride next time there. So guys, thanks very much. I'll do this one here for you, and then I'll leave it off. I think I did it in. It's that time. It's the time is here. Everybody knows that the next time we hear it, vacation. And when the nights are peaceful, when the nights are peaceful and serene, we can cuddle. Oh yeah, I think that's it. Okay, here's Christmas Vacation. My favorite Christmas film. it's that time. Christmas time is here. Everybody knows there's not a better time of year. Hear that sleigh, Santa's on his way. Hip hip hooray for Christmas vacation. I got a ton of stuff to celebrate, and now it's getting closer, I can't wait. Gonna make this holiday as perfect as can be. Just wait and see this Christmas vacation. This old house sure is looking good. I got ourselves the finest snowman in the neighborhood. Ain't it fun? Always on the run. And that's how it's done in Christmas vacation. Let's all deck the halls and light the lights. Get a toasty fire burning bright. Give St. Nick the warmest welcome that he's ever had. We're so glad it's Christmas vacation. And when the nights are peaceful and serene, we can cuddle up and do our Christmas dream. And la 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 la. Jing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-lang-lang-lang. Jang-a-lang-a-lang-a-lang-a-lang-lang-lang. We're so glad it's Christmas vacation. And joy, I love her everywhere. You can feel the magic in the air. Let the spirit of the season carry us away. Hip hip hooray for Christmas vacation. La 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 ho ho ho. Jingle jangle jingle jangle as we go. Let the spirit of the season carry you away. Hip hip hooray for Christmas vacation. La 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 ho ho ho. Jingle jangle jingle jangle as we go. Oh, let the season of the spirit carry you away. We're so glad it's Christmas vacation. So glad it's Christmas vacation. Hip hip hooray for Christmas vacation. Guys, thanks very much. Mucho gracias for jumping on the old stream there tonight. Where's this one going here? This. Hope you had a good one, and yeah, hopefully back. I don't know if I'll be back on Sunday here streaming again, but hopefully I will be there. And Thursday is kind of the only night there that I'm able to get going on the midweek streams for now. Possibly Monday. And if you're on Instagram as well, this is only kind of a little as kind of a side camera here to the stream. I am streaming properly on Twitch and over on YouTube and Facebook there as well. Not properly, but I'm not really looking at the comments a lot there as well. But if you do want to have the proper experience with the audio and the visual, head over to Twitch, Key Finn Music, and over to YouTube as well, Ciarán Finn Music, and on Facebook there as well. But I will be streaming live. If it keeps, as long as it keeps working on Instagram, I'll keep streaming on that if that's your preferred platform of choice there for watching the old stream. No bother, guys. Thanks so much there. I do appreciate it, and hopefully I'll see you guys Sunday there, and enjoy your weekend. Enjoy tomorrow as well there. Hip hip hooray for Christmas vacation is right. Now we're in December, we can start celebrating it properly. Okay. I'm not too sure how many people are on my well, we'll do a raid. Let's do a raid. There's 13 viewers here on it, so let's do a raid. Who's on here? Do we know anybody who we can raid? Mildly aggressive folk. Tyler loves music. Would we do? No, we do Young Sub 3. He's cool. Let's try Young Sub 3. Yeah, let's try Young Sub 3. Is that cool? Okay. Let's do Young Sub 3. Let's raid him. So if you're on Twitch, you're just about to get dumped on Young Sub 3. I'm not going to be listening on the stream. I'm starving. I'm going to eat something and go to bed. Which is not the best thing. What was it? / raid Young Sub 3. I think that's it. Oh yeah. Okay, so I see Paul there, Maria's on there as well, and Sarah's on there. Your man's great. Young Sub 3 is deadly. He's a cool dude. I just ENDE in the Brothers. I'll check them out, Maria. I didn't know that, but I'll follow them and they'll pop up on my thing the next time there. I'm gonna raid now the other one, but I'm gonna look up the ENDE Brothers and just let your man Young Sub, if you're staying on there, that I had to head away. Okay, you're being gone. In the Brothers. We'll do that for next time. ENDE and the Brothers. Excuse me. Okay, I'll follow them guys. But the next time I'll know when they're live. Excuse me. Woo. Okay. Have a good one, guys. I'm gonna leave it off at that. Enjoy the rest of your night. Let me get rid of the old the thing here first. Thanks on Instagram. Have a good one. Okay. Katie Louise just jumps into the end. Breaking news! I just found out tonight I'm Irish. Katie, you got 20 seconds to you got 20 seconds to let us know what happened and why you're Irish and all that kind of stuff there as well. But when we go back on, it'll be the first song I'll do for you. We'll dedicate it to you. Katie Louise is Irish, everybody. Not Welsh. My nan's granddad was Irish, apparently. That's good enough for me. Oh, that's funny. Brilliant. Well, Welsh and Irish, that's a good mix. That's one of the best mixes you can get. Aren't we all? I suppose welcome to the club then, I suppose, Katie Louise. Makes me so happy. That's deadly. That's brilliant. Find out a little bit more about it there and let us know. And do let us know. You get whatever song you want. The next stream. We'll give you an initiation Irish song. Anyway, congratulations for that. It's great to hear. Guys, I have to finish off. Thanks very much for jumping on the stream there as well. And apologies for a few people just jumped in there. Lake Kelly there and Katie Wees there. And I'm sorry there about cutting it there. But I will be going live hopefully there. Let the man go eat. Welcome to the club. And Sarah Louise as well. Brilliant. Deadly. It is a great club to be in, isn't it? Okay, guys, thanks very much. Have a good one there, and enjoy the rest of your night. Hopefully, I'll see you on Sunday. All going well, all going to plan. So keep her shandy, and